Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to unfollow people in the Facebook Lite application. Firstly, open your Facebook Lite application. Once you're in, navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon. On your profile page, you'll notice followers and following. Click on following to see the list of people and pages that you are currently following. These are the individuals and pages you have chosen to follow. To unfollow someone, click on their profile. This will take you to their profile page, where you will find an unfollow button resembling an outlined box. Click on this button to unfollow the selected person or page. It's important to note that, unfortunately, Facebook Lite doesn't provide an option to unfollow everyone at once. You will need to manually unfollow each person or page individually. While this might take some time, it ensures that you have full control over your follow list. And there you have it. You have successfully unfollowed everyone in Facebook Lite. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.